The Koran, a new translation and presentation by Henry Mercier. For those who profess Islam throughout the world, the Quran is much more than a creed. It is preeminently a book of religious doctrine, of civil and criminal law, a book of social and ceremonial codes, although it may not have the same importance for non-Muslims. The fact remains that it cannot be ignored any more than one can ignore the Bible, the Vedas, Aristotle, or Plato. Its importance is such as to give it an urgent claim on the attention of those who are in direct contact with the peoples of Islam. This translation, and I'll be throwing in commentary, brings together the essentials to meet the requirements of heart and mind, the inclusion of the Arabic text and a phonetic transcription of the original psalmody helps to recreate its poetical strain. Translated from the French language by Lucien Tremblay. Illustrated, and we won't be seeing that this time, by C. Abdelkrim Bazani. First published 1956. Whoever has a thorough knowledge of the language and literature of a people cannot be entirely its foe. Henry Bergson.